G'day, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to do an update on Ethereum and Bitcoin price. So here we go. Ethereum. This is a 4-hour Ethereum chart. I'm just going to go through the fractals and then we can go over to the daily. We can see we broke out of this bull fractal area here and then we had a quick retest and we reversed to the upside. We printed a bullish Kumo breakout on this candle here, and we've just been reversing to the downside, and we're currently just back under the cloud in the last 8 hours of price action. If we're on the 100-day moving average, you can see that we broke through the 100-day moving average and we've almost back tested that level. I'll just zoom in so we can see it a bit better. So yeah, we haven't quite touched that level, but yeah, that's a setup. That's a tradable setup. Depending if you want to trade Ichimoku on a 4-hour chart, it's up to your own discretion. Risk management trading plan. We're all sovereign individuals here, so that's that. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, we can see that price has actually come back up to this previous bear fractal here, and we've found some resistance there thus far. We just touched that level on the daily close and we've reversed away from there so far. The day's still young, there's 16 hours left in this daily candle. So we're just going to have to wait for further price action. I have noticed that the Tinkinson is turning up a little, so that's encouraging. So yeah, I'm just going to be watching this Kijun area and this fractal. Perhaps we get a sell signal at the Kijun and we'll reverse lower. Ethereum has only done a 38.2 bounce and the Kumo remains bullish, so yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what price action will give us, because Ethereum is the strongest out of the majority of the coins that I've looked at so far. So yeah, maybe a bullish TK cross above cloud. That would be quite a signal. Anyway, we shall wait and be patient. So Bitcoin, I'll go to the 4-hourly on Bitcoin. We broke out of the previous bull fractals here and we've just been going sideways ever since. You can see we didn't have like a quick dip test back into that previous bull fractal area. So maybe we go down and we need to test previous bull fractal and then reverse higher. There is more weakness on the 4-hour than Ethereum. We did find resistance at the 100-day moving average in the previous 4-hourly candle. Also, there's no Kumo breakout like Ethereum either, so we haven't even tested that CQ span top of the cloud / Kumo area. So yeah, we gotta be patient. We'll see what happens. The 4-hourly Kijun's in that fractal as well, so maybe it wants to come back, bounce in there, go sideways until we get back over to this bullish sort of Kumo territory. Time will tell. We shall see. Go over to the daily. Yeah, the daily's not as strong as Ethereum, as we got a 50% retracement. Ethereum never did. And yeah, we haven't even challenged or touched this previous bear fractal, and Kijun still remains at 9,476. So we're just waiting patiently here. Maybe we will get an opportunity to sell this market, or maybe we reverse higher. I'll just throw on I'll just make this point quickly as well. I'll throw the Tinkinson on and the Kumo. Tinkinson's flat here whilst it's turning up on Ethereum, and obviously we still have a bullish Kumo and there's a bearish Kumo on Bitcoin. So that's how they're varying. I did want to just do this speculative drawing pattern as people do on charts. Take it with a pinch of salt. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm just going to draw it regardless. Is this happening at the moment? Time will tell. I love that saying, don't I? Yeah, maybe this right shoulder is going to come in on a fail at the Kijun level. There's a Kijun there, so perhaps that happens. If that's going to happen, that would probably take out the lows from December, because we would have to the neckline, clone that, and then you draw that to the... Just move, bro. Here we go. So that would suggest a move down to this 6100 level. Now that would make some crypto people cry, wouldn't it? Could just be a quick flush or wick down maybe. But anyway, that remains to be seen. Thought I'd throw that very speculative idea on the end of this video. Hope you enjoy the content. Nothing's financial advice always on these updates that I do. Hopefully there's something you can take away from them. Yeah, we'll leave the video there. Happy trading.